Hey guys, Gracie here. Today I'm going to share with you my top 5 tips for beginner gardeners. I've learned a lot about the world of plants and gardening over the past couple months. From tools to watering to planting and arranging, there's so much to learn and it's been really fun trying something new. I wanted to put together my top 5 tips for anyone who is just starting out on their gardening journey. Tip number 1, create your gardening tool arsenal. Having the right gardening tools truly makes all the difference. The first thing I did on my gardening journey was put together a toolkit from English Gardens. Your gardening toolkit should include a trowel, pruners, a rake, a hose and nozzle, and a watering can. A good pair of gardening gloves and a kneeling pad have also been key. Tip number 2, don't be afraid to get creative. I've found that one of the best parts of gardening is the opportunity to try something new and unexpected. Try mixing up your color selection and add in some texture and flair. Consider planting some new herbs or vegetables that you might want to experiment cooking with. Throughout the season, take notes on your gardening, what you like and don't like. A little creativity goes a long way. Tip number 3, proper watering is key. We all know watering is essential in order for plants to thrive and grow healthy and strong. It's especially important during a remarkably hot summer like the one we've had. I learned that how, when, and where you water can greatly impact your plant's growth and health. Follow the watering guidelines for your lawn, containers, or flower beds. And remember, if it looks thirsty, give it a drink. Tip number 4, welcome the birds and pollinators. Butterflies, bees, and birds add excitement to the garden and time spent outside. I have loved getting to see these creatures around my yard and garden. Pollinators are essential to our ecosystem and provide vital natural resources. No matter what space you have available, you can provide plants that these creatures will love and keep them coming back year after year. And last but not least, tip number 5, patience is a virtue. Growing plants takes time. Take a breather and remain calm. Don't get discouraged when something doesn't go as planned. Soon enough, you'll be watching your garden come to life. Set a plan, make changes as you need, and keep an open mind. After all, your plants are growing and so are you. For even more gardening tips, head over to EnglishGardens.com. Stay tuned for more episodes of Let's Grow. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more ways to make your life beautiful.